If you've just picked up a brand new Apple device, you might feel a sudden wave of hesitation right now, because the latest wave of 2026 leaks suggests something massive is on the horizon. This is not the usual yearly refresh cycle with small upgrades and predictable improvements. What's being reported points to one of the most aggressive and ambitious product roadmaps Apple has ever attempted, with nearly 18 major releases potentially arriving within a single year. Naturally, people are asking whether it's worth waiting, especially with so many rumors surrounding the next iPhone lineup. Based on what supply chain sources and insiders are revealing, the answer isn't simple, but one thing is clear. Apple is preparing to reshape its entire ecosystem in a way that could impact every category it operates in. One of the biggest surprises revolves around the iPhone release strategy. Instead of following the familiar annual pattern, Apple is reportedly shifting its timeline. The standard iPhone 18 may not arrive until spring 2027, which is a major departure from tradition. The reason behind this delay appears to be Apple's decision to focus its fall 2026 event entirely on premium devices. That includes the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and a long-rumored foldable device that insiders are calling the iPhone Ultra. This move signals a clear emphasis on high-end innovation rather than mass-market upgrades, at least for that cycle. The foldable iPhone is easily one of the most talked-about devices in these leaks. Early reports describe a book-style design that balances portability with a larger screen experience. When closed, it features a compact outer display around 5.5 inches, reminiscent of smaller iPhones from previous years. Once opened, however, it transforms into a nearly 8-inch OLED display that is said to be completely crease-free. Apple is reportedly pushing engineering limits here, with an ultra-thin design measuring just 4.5 millimeters when unfolded. This level of thinness creates new challenges, particularly with features like MagSafe, which may end up being integrated into accessories rather than the phone itself. There are also indications that Touch ID could return, embedded into the power button, offering an alternative to Face ID. Of course, all this innovation comes at a price, and estimates suggest the device could cost anywhere between $2,000 and $2,500. For users who prefer a more traditional smartphone experience, the iPhone 18 Pro models are shaping up to be equally impressive. Apple is expected to introduce a new A20 Pro chip built on a cutting-edge 2-nanometer process. This could bring noticeable improvements in both performance and efficiency, with faster processing speeds and better battery life. The Pro models are also rumored to include 12 GB of RAM, making them more capable than ever, especially for AI-driven features. Combined with a larger battery and refinements to the display design, these devices could easily dominate the premium smartphone market. Beyond smartphones, Apple's wearable technology is also evolving rapidly. The company is reportedly working on lightweight smart glasses designed for everyday use. Unlike bulkier headsets, these glasses aim to blend seamlessly into daily life while offering powerful AI capabilities. Users may be able to identify objects, translate text, or get contextual information simply by looking at something and asking Siri. Meanwhile, the next generation of AirPods Pro could introduce infrared sensors for advanced spatial tracking, enhancing audio experiences in ways that go far beyond current standards. There are even rumors of built-in health monitoring features, such as heart rate tracking directly from the ear. The Apple Watch lineup is also expected to receive meaningful updates. Both the standard model and the Ultra variant may include a fingerprint scanner integrated into the side button, adding another layer of convenience and security. While it may seem like a small change, it reflects Apple's ongoing effort to refine how users interact with their devices. On the computing side, Apple's silicon development continues to push forward. The upcoming M5 chip is expected to power a range of new Macs, including a redesigned Mac Mini and updated Mac Studio. One of the most exciting possibilities is the return of a larger iMac Pro, potentially featuring a 30-inch display and high-end performance capabilities aimed at professionals. Laptop users also have something to look forward to, with rumors of a touchscreen OLED MacBook Pro powered by an even more advanced chip. This could mark a significant shift in how macOS devices are used, blending traditional computing with more interactive display technology. The iPad lineup is not being left behind either. Even the entry-level model is expected to receive a performance boost, while the iPad mini could see a major upgrade with an OLED display and a much more powerful processor. These changes would position it as a compact yet highly capable device for both entertainment and productivity. Perhaps the most intriguing development, however, lies in Apple's smart home ambitions. Reports Arabic ta Arabic Sheen Arabic yet Arabicrat to a new home hub device designed to act as the central control point for connected devices. This could include features like facial recognition for security cameras, allowing the system to identify familiar faces at your door. Combined with updates to Apple TV and HomePod, it's clear that Apple is aiming to create a fully integrated home ecosystem. Taken together, these leaks paint a picture of a company preparing for one of its most transformative years. From foldable phones and AI-powered wearables to next-generation computers and smart home technology, the scope of what's coming is unusually broad. Whether all of these products launch as expected remains to be seen, but the direction is unmistakable. Apple is not just iterating anymore. It is attempting to redefine multiple categories at once.